Yes, how are you wherever you are in this world? I hope you are feeling well. This is Okela Chila Hemslimbo, one of the divine man, humbled servant of God, faithful. Same today, I'm not going to talk about spiritual uplifting, but since even Paul was a tent maker and there was a time he camped with these people, I also have a means of making my own livelihood. I am a biomedical scientist, a graduate with Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Science and Technology. Currently, I'm in Kenya Marine and Fisheries Research Institute. And this is a matter of empowering people with environmental sustainability in agriculture, economy, and agribusinesses idea. And it is an invention that was invented back in 2010, and it's something that is really iconic, and those who are after agroeconomy businesses, this can work well. It's about hydroponics and aquaponics technique, and this is a solution for our scarcity when it comes to agriculture, which is land, capital, name them that you know about agriculture economics, and also for our standard goal, attainment of lowering food scarcity. Vertical agriculture is sustainable. Being an expert in hydroponics and aquaponics also, I think this idea that I can really assist on. Just have a clue about it, and in case of any more information, you can just come to my SMS through this channel, and you can just have your question concerning it, on how you can reach me through about it, planning about management, any blah blah blah, anything that you can ask, I can really assist on. When it comes to any agricultural project or any other project in this world, there are some things that you have to consider: capital, resources. Okay, these two things, capital and resources, are fundamentals in everything. Be it labor, there's a resource. You have to put down things for it to work for you. So when it comes to aquaculture, that is fish rearing, it's a form of mitigating of exploitation of our natural resources. When we do aquaculture, we can sustain our own ever-rising population, and demand is so high. And when we venture into hydroponics also, it's a form of lowering the greenhouse effect of nitrogen and CO2, which is also something that is a menace to the environment and degradation. Why hydroponics and aquaponics? It doesn't require any labor. Imagine producing crops with low invention of man labor and also machinery. You just do your agriculture in a free environment, no supply of artificial fertilizers, or it's just environmental free, because the fertilizer they're going to get it is directly from fish pool. Okay. And extra. So in hydroponic system, it normally has some requirements, and I can just give an idea what it entails. One, the system, as you know, a system is a combination of setups that works together. Okay, so you'll have to have a fish tank, the aquaculture system that you are having. In this fish tank, you'll keep your fish in the water, And since before the idea of aquaculture and hydroponic system came into place, the water used to be waste, since the water is supposed to be circulated from and being refreshed, put in, fresh water is supposed to be added as the outlet being remove the water as waste, which fresh water is something that is coming to be gold in future year. About 25 years, is according to the United Nations, there's postulated that there will be a shortage of water and drought will be an harm to everyone. So we have to consider that recycling is the best means of conserving our little water that we are having for now, as we are thinking of what we are going to do about it. So in this fish tank, we are supposed to remove the waste. Okay? And out of removing this waste, we have to pass it through a solid film separator filter to a biofilter and through a sump. This sump is where we'll be having our pump that will pump our nutrient-rich water to a growing bed, which is the hydroponic. And the hydroponics section normally has some varieties of crops that normally grow and have been proven to be successful. Examples are lettuce, some are tomatoes, any vegetable that you can just find. Okay, next time I will come and tell you which one does best and which economy, blah blah blah, about it next time. So in this growing bed, you have to put your plants in the growing bed, that is the hydroponic section, and the nutrient-rich water will pass through into the hydroponic section, and the plant will absorb the nutrient, which is normally nitrate, after being broken down by bacteria and the biofilter, which bacteria normally breaks nitrate into nitrates, and then the nitrates are being absorbed by the plants. The same nutrients, which is being supplied by nitrates, which is out of ammonia from fish fecal matter, and the one that is found in NPK, nitrogen phosphate, but calcium fertilizer, artificial fertilizer. So no need to buy that fertilizer because it will be supplied by the fecal matter in water. Okay, then after absorption, it will be taken. It depends with how vast you are having your hydroponic section, but we want to have a zero nitrogen water, nitrogen free water. Then you can pump it back to the pump, or you can channel it directly to the aquaculture chamber. Okay, so a lot of details about this, you can reach me through a number that I'm going to share there of WhatsApp, or any idea that you need, or any installation that you need. I can give you a quotation of what you have depending on what you want. And kindly share this video, and God will bless you as you're going to start and searching ideas about hydroponics and aquaculture. And also the fish varieties that to add on that, you can freely rear in Kenya, added tropical fishes like tilapia and mudfish, which require very little monetization technique. Even the golden fish, the ornamental fish, we can rear them. It's because the only thing that you require to have is a matter of checking on the pH, and majority of our fresh water doesn't require that much on pH alteration because they are just okay and friendly and they can survive. Okay, and the temperature, which is normally, it's not supposed to be more than 30. Do at 25 degrees centigrade only. And under hydroponics, you can venture into horizontal agriculture, not need of the bed lines, or you can do it on the surface of the pond. Yeah, but horizontal agriculture, if you can invest in horizontal agriculture. That means you'll use a lesser space with maximum production. Horizontal agriculture with greenhouse. Okay, thanks so much, and I hope this serves you well. Have a blessed time. Thank you.